What was that now? Oh, all right. Go ahead, go ahead. What'd you bring that in for?
Well, you know what? Hey, come on, go ahead.
Oh. That's when we ended. No. Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Nah, I'm running the bug. You know why?
Why?
We're gonna change the air filters on it.
You're always doing something.
Always doing something.
Hey, don't scare people with the engine in this car.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna scare people. Man, what's that? Like a 2.2 liter?
Yeah.
This thing stands up and dances around like this with the wheels up in the air when you take off hard, right?
What does it do?
And that's it. Here we go again. Where'd you get these anyway?
K&N, baby.
Air filter. I can throw the whole car in here. What do you got? Let's check this out. You got the base.
You got the base?
Nice,
Those
nice. Man, look at this. You got a gasket kit
Oh, good,
for
good.
the top. You got the beautiful K&N air filter. Very nice. Look at that. This is washable.
They're
And then
awesome.
you got the cover. Oh, these are cool. Wow. These are nostalgic. I bought a whole bunch of Volkswagens years ago with dual cars, modified cars that were forgotten in
Yeah, you
sheds
open the
and all
hood, it
that.
says K&N on the hood.
Stickers all over, but with these air filter covers, they're just like the ones they used to make years
Yeah.
ago. Check it out, K&N. Oh, that is so
Yo,
cool.
look at that reflection.
Look how beautiful. Can't wait for tomorrow.
Why? Get better looking by the day.
That's my line! You did it again! This is 2 videos! Here we go. Install them. Take the old one out.
Let's do it.
Oh, this engine needs cleaning, bro. What do you think about that, huh?
It is beautiful.
I think so.
We're gonna get a lot of dates tonight. Oh man, it's almost as if you cleaned it.
I know, right? I never clean anything.
Icy fingers.
He acts
today.
like he's 12 years old sometimes. I'm telling you.
What is happening today? Why am I dropping?
What are you doing?
I can't open it.
Scissors, razor, I don't know.
I know, but
Stab in the dark here. Sorry, okay, put that together. That's better. See how nice that was? Oh man, that's like back in the day.
I look wrong.
Nice, nice.
I look wrong.
Very nice.
You don't.
You broke it. I heard it.
I'm sorry.
He squirted me with it to check to see if it broke. It's wiggling.
Yeah, because you tightened it.
All right, let's leave that there. How you doing? How you doing?
He's like,
Look who's here, everyone. It's the mailman. What's that show called? Mr. Robinson's Neighborhood, something like that?
I have no idea what you're talking
He
about.
was a
right
guy, a
now.
real nerdy guy. Real nice guy, real nice. But anyhow, this looks wonderful. Giuseppe, these air filters are literally gorgeous. I like putting them like this because it's like one of them things. And they're washable filters,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And everything. This is awesome. There's one thing left to say. Taking over the world.